everyone, Heather Morstatter here with Morstatter Residential of Keller Williams Realty, and I'm excited to come to you today from the poolside at 3012 Misty Heights Cove in the Falcon Pointe neighborhood. Let's take a look around. "3012 Misty Heights Cove features over 4,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, an office that can also be used as a 6th bedroom as needed. The home features every other room that you could possibly think of that you could need in a home. There is a game room upstairs. There is also a fun and exciting media room you can't wait to see. Upon entering the home, you are greeted by a wonderful office space that can be used also as a 6th bedroom because it does have a walk-in closet. You also have room for a music room, formal dining, or formal living area. The living room has floor-to-ceiling windows that exude light through every angle of the room. And you don't have such a bad view when you look out the window and see the pool and the hot tub that also features a waterfall. This gourmet kitchen features built-in cooktop, built-in ovens, microwave, and loads of counter space and counters for entertaining and preparing your food. The master is featured on the main floor with oversized bedroom, his and her vanity, and a large walk-in closet. And don't forget about the great soaking tub and walk-in shower. I'm not sure where the master suite is in this house because every room has ample space for large oversized beds, furniture, entertaining, dressers, anything you can think of, and they also have their own walk-in closet in each of the secondary bedrooms. 2 of the secondary bedrooms also share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and there is another full bath for the other 2 bedrooms upstairs, along with a built-in desk area for studying. If you're ready to duel it out on the foosball table or take yourself on the pinball machine, this game room features lots of opportunities and fun to play. It's also adorned by a wonderful kitchenette, so when you are ready to go into the media room and enjoy a great movie with the family and friends, you've got everything you need right at your fingertips. Welcome to your tropical oasis. This home sits on over 1/3 of an acre with a pool and a hot tub that also has a waterfall feature. And around every corner you're going to find some great type of gardening, xeriscaping, and just a delight to the eyes. Some other great features about the home is you will find full gutter system with a rain collection system on the home, because when you see this garden, you're going to see why. Some of the other great features about this home is that we like to share is that it is located on a cul-de-sac and the lot is over 1/3 of an acre. They also have 3-car garage with ample built-in storage space as well. Just want to take a moment to thank you guys for spending some time with us today at our home of the week at 3012 Misty Heights Cove, featured here in the Falcon Pointe neighborhood. And as always, we just want you to know that we're honored to serve you in all your real estate needs. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we love the opportunity to speak with you and see how we can serve you more. You can always reach me at 512-758-5690. And this home is listed by myself, Heather Morstatter, with Morstatter Residential of Keller Williams Realty.